The only thing killing your gains is over-optimization. Cold walks, long cardio after your lift, not getting your protein in, it's all fucking bullshit. Yeah, it might make the process 2% faster, but worry about the 98% first. Take it from the guy who regularly walks an hour in negative degrees of weather. 7 hours without protein between lifting windows. Average 4 hours of sleep from the year. And still have a top, probably 0.1% physique. No cocky bullshit. 24 FFMI. Google it. Who the fuck's got it? Look around. Who's got it? Yeah, it's all bullshit. Do the basics. Eat your protein throughout the day. That's it. Day 15 documenting. Day 239. 10K steps done. Gym done. You walk home.